So addictive,
like a drug.
Say friends are like a drug,
Like a drug.
that's why we say family. Listen, friends are like a drug, they so addictive. That's why we say family, family, family. Friends are like a drug, they so addictive. That's why we say family, family, family. As me waking in the morning, a dog where you there? What kind of flex you there pan? What we do today? Then dog, you don't know you, me just the dog go blink. Remember Shireen, the light skin thing. She not tell me she a far with her friend Desiree. If you see the girl dog, boom clap. You say the girl Chris dog, me no talk, me a talk. You say dog, for real? Let me jump in at the bar. Give me 20 minutes, maybe meet up on the block. Me have clothes in the car, so me now to pop. And me now go work tomorrow, and the boss can't say job. What you say? Have we? No worry about that. You have a kiosk come some tire and commercial at the stash. Plus 2 back like anything in the car back. I'm mad thing when we roll up, dog. You know the flex. Anyway, let me jump in at the show and well a friend. Friends are like a drug, they so addicted. That's why we say family, family, family. Friends are like a drug, they so addicted. That's why we say family, family, family. Closing our boat so we gone. We know we now come back till crack of dawn or the next man. Cheese in the car like we run a farm. And gone left me baby mother with the newborn. My friend said, dawg, oh you escape on paper. If you low, I don't know. Me will let no song, but tonight, dawg, Jano, we have to make the run. Cause me well want to that gal, yeah. So whether girls are hustle or using your muscle, friends always have ideas in their head. And that's why we always in a trouble with the bed. Or come out through the window when mama say go bed. Friends up on a mission and they want to become all. When I danger they make it seem like a fun life, dog. Make we rob a boy there and take him stash. Run up on him and give him some blood clot box. Friends are like a drug, they so addicted. That's why we say family, family, family. Friends are like a drug, they so addicted. That's why we say family, family, family. My friends ain't at school, dog, you're so boring. Make we cut class. We don't need education to be with own boss. Plus me know a way how to make money fast. You check a joke. Friends always seem confident when they talk, confident when they walk. So we found them anytime we wanna talk or have a problem that we wanna solve. Friends always know how to calm you down. And when you have a problem, sometimes they'll be around. But sometimes your friends just want to clown. And if you don't hold your head up, they'll jump you down. Friends are controlling, it's hard to see. They want you to be what they want to be. But my friend, what about me? What about what I want to be? Friends are like a drug, they so addicted. That's why we say family, family, family. Friends are like a drug, they so addicted. That's why we say family, family, family. Friends are like a drug, they so addicted. That's why we say family, family, family. Friends are like a drug, they so addictive. That's why we say family, family, family. Yeah, man, I know. Friends are like a drug, they so addictive. That's why we say family, family. With your family first. So you them are your family. Friends are like a drug, they so your mother, your father, your sister, your brother, family, family, family. Friends are like a drug, they so addicted. That's why we say family, family, family. Most people with the blood. Friends are like a drug, they so addicted. That's why we say family, family, family. Respect with friends.